Hello fellow Earthlings, it's Kelsey from 17.com and welcome back to Beauty Lab! Yay! So as you guys know, here at Beauty Lab, I just basically run around the 17 office and force my coworkers to try really weird products and hacks and beauty tips and all kinds of fun things. So today, I'm going to be making them try my favorite $3 liquid lipstick. I'm not kidding, $3 you guys. It's from Wet n Wild, it's their matte liquid catsuit lipstick, and I swear by it, like it'll blow your freaking mind, I promise. So I'm gonna blow all my coworkers' minds today with this array of beautiful colors. Before we get started, you guys know the drill, please take a pause, hit the like button, and if you haven't already subscribed to 17's YouTube, make sure you subscribe right now. So I'm gonna try on a new color. As I said, these are my favorite lip colors. My all-time favorite is Flame of the Game, but since I've worn this like a million times, I'm gonna test out this slightly different orange color called Terrifying Tangerine. So just in case you're wondering, this is what the brush looks like. Ooh. Done! It's much brighter than I anticipated, but as a dedicated lover of orange lipsticks, I really like this. It's very non-drying. Well, I think. I wear a lot of matte liquid lipsticks, so I'm kind of used to the drying sensation now, but like as far as matte liquids goes, this one is very lightweight, feels so good, it's pigmented, and I swear I could eat an entire pizza and it would not budge. I could go on for hours about how amazing this is. But don't take my word for it. Let's go have my coworkers try it. Hey girl.
Hey.
So, today you are going to be testing out my favorite $3 lipstick.
Cool.
Have you ever tried Wet n Wild's matte liquid before?
I have not. This one is called Behind the Bleachers. So.
Ooh.
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 I like it a lot.
It matches your little swirls perfectly.
Oh my gosh. That was unintentional. Like it was like really even to like apply and like it didn't get clumpy or anything. So yeah, I really like it.
Look at that radiant smile. Oh, what an angel. Okay, now we're gonna go find Sade. I got you specific ones that could work for nudes because you said you've never worn nude lipstick before.
That is very true.
But I also have these pretty colors, so whichever.
Well, I started wearing orange because of you. I already wear red. I'll try the nudes. Caramel cake. I'm into that.
Oh.
Goes on really smooth. Ooh.
Oh!
It's a little chocolatey.
I can tell you like it because
bad.
you keep like gazing at yourself.
Yeah, I like it.
Yay, thank you for trying. Oh, I'm so happy you like it. Hi. Hi. This one really matches your outfit. However, you are more than welcome to test any color that you desire.
Yeah, I normally don't wear lipstick, so I'm gonna go with the more natural.
Baby. Ooh, that's better.
This feels really good, and I'm someone who has like crazy dry lips. Like I always have to apply either Bomb.com, Vaseline, because like 2 seconds of not having either of those on, and I'm just like peeling all over the place. But this feels really good on me.
All right, frenzies, that concludes another rip-roaring episode of Beauty Lab. Comment below if you have one that you like better, because I would like to see, but you're still wrong because this is the best. You should try it for sure, and if you do try it, also drop a comment below and let me know what your favorite color is. Okay, make sure you guys hit subscribe and hit the like button before you go, and I'll see you next time.